I live in a condominium building and I would like to start a butterfly garden. How high will butterflies fly? What plants would you recommend for Zone 7? This is Marilyn from Arlington, Virginia. Miss Marilyn, we're just going to get out of the way. We're going to let Mary here handle that because she loves those butterflies. So
I do, and this is a great question.
It's a great
And absolutely, she can have a butterfly garden in a condominium, even if it's just in pots.
Good.
You don't have to worry about the height. Butterflies over 15,000 feet. So you're not going to have to worry about the height.
Be all right.
But you can plant butterfly attracting plants in pots. And so I would recommend looking not only at nectar sources, but also host plants for the caterpillars. So so definitely some nectar plants that do well in pots, things like the coneflowers, purple coneflower, black-eyed Susans, and then look at some host plants if there's a certain type of butterfly. If you want to attract monarchs, you want to look at milkweeds for a host plant. You can also do herbs, which are can serve two purposes. So things like parsley we can eat, but there's also black swallowtail caterpillars like to eat it too. So mix in some herbs, some host plants, and some nectar sources.
That's good. Yeah, so don't have to worry about 15,000 feet. That's pretty high. You don't have to worry about that. But yeah, so yeah, Zone 7, we're 7B here, so grow similar type plants. I love Lantana. You know, something I would add to that I actually plant in my landscape that you should be able to plant there in Virginia to attract those butterflies. Yeah. I like that as well, but yeah, your recommendation is spot on.
Spot on, yeah.
So yeah, if you need any additional information, just go to your local extension office. They may have a list, butterfly plants for you. Yeah, they're in Virginia. Thanks for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed. To subscribe, click below.